Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Noise pollution matter, those 5 persons against whom notices were issued, they appeared before the court and they have been granted 1 week's time to file an affidavit. So they will file an affidavit. As far as other things are concerned, basically the court is now trying to find out insofar as those enclosed premises are concerned. Court wants to have a plan on record to find out actually which is the area which is being used for playing the music, and this area is having proper acoustic system in place, as a result of which there is no noise that is generated outside these premises. That is what the court is going to do. That has been recorded by the court. So presently the status of the case is that these newly added 5 persons against whom maximum complaints are received, they have appeared before the court and they have been granted 1 week's time to file the affidavits. All of them are claiming that it is an indoor establishment. Therefore the court has directed them to give an affidavit disclosing the total area which they are using and which is enclosed. They are supposed to give the details of their all permissions which they have obtained. Possibly they will have to give a plan also to show the exact location and the identity of their particular establishment.